guys here, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing a full makeup transformation. As you can see, my eyebrows already done and my hair's already done. I did do my eyebrows off camera, but I tried to do my hair in this video. I just like filmed it before this and I'm gonna like put it in. But anyways, yeah, so today we're going to be doing a full glam transformation. I also want to try like a very brightened under eye. I've been seeing all the TikTok girlies do it. I don't have like a white concealer or anything. I have a really light concealer and I might mix it in with a little bit of like white CC Beauty, but that's kind of doing a lot. But anyways, if you guys want to see my full glam makeup transformation, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys know what I wish? I truly wish that you could listen to like different music, like popular music on YouTube without like copyright, because I would love to just listen to music with you guys and do my makeup, just like chill, listen to some good songs, but y'all know YouTube won't let that happen. But anyways, first things first, we are going to prime my eyes and we are going to be using the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C10. I really don't know what kind of look I want to do today. I think I really don't know. I'm just gonna do whatever comes to me at this point because I am clueless right now as to what kind of look I want to do. I'm gonna take a Real Techniques beauty sponge and blend that out. I never really do this. I'm gonna put some concealer like right here on my eye because I think the kind of look that I want to do is I kind of want to do like a very bronzy eye, but kind of like bring it down into like a nose contour. I don't know, not a nose contour, but I like bronze the sides of my nose a little bit just to give it some color, and I kind of want to like continue it. I don't know, I'm just feeling kind of like adventurous today. Not adventurous, like you're kind of adventurous, like wanting to try some new things but not too crazy. So yeah, so first I'm gonna take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette and I'm gonna take the third color in the first row, which is gonna be my transition shade. I'm gonna take this big fluffy Juvia's Place brush and just start blending that into my crease and also like right here. I really don't know what I want to do. Obviously it never hurt to start out with just like a nice transition shade, so that's why I'm just doing this. Okay, and I'm going to take the M330 brush on the fourth shade in the top row and put it in the same spot but under it. I think this is going to look really good with a very bright under eye, so that's why I'm excited. Now I'm gonna take this other fluffy Juvia's Place brush. I wish they had numbers, but they don't. This is just from the I Live I Love brush set, which I reviewed in my last video. If you guys want to watch that, I did like a full face of Juvia's Place makeup and I used their brushes. So promo, I never do that, but if you guys want to watch that video, then go watch it. So yeah, I'm gonna take the fourth shade in the second row and put it under that. Now I'm going to take an M441 brush and I'm going to move over to a different palette, which is the Juvia's Place, the Warrior 2 palette. And I'm going to take, oh my gosh, it keeps closing, the third shade on the top row. Okay, and I'm going to take the M506 brush and I'm going to take the black from the Warrior 2 palette and I'm going to lightly put that into the crease lower than all the other colors.
Okay, so I'm not entirely sure what happened to the audio clips from this. So I'm basically just cutting my crease with the light Juvia's Place concealer, and then I am setting it with a shimmer shade. I don't remember exactly what shimmer shade because this is like a few weeks after I filmed this. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, that's what I do right here.
Okay, and now I think I'm gonna do like a pretty big wing. I'm kind of taking reference off of this picture right here. Like, her makeup is just really, really fire. So I'm gonna try to do a wing like this. I really don't know if I'll be able to achieve it, but we gonna try. Practice make perfect. You miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. So yeah. Okay, so I did the eyeliner. I think it looks pretty good. I might make it a little bit bigger, but this is good for now, I think. Now I'm gonna do foundation, but first let me put on primer because I literally always forget primer, and it literally irks me so bad when I forget primer. Okay, so my foundation kind of looks like a weird color because I used this Morphe foundation that I use, and it's kind of like a different color, but I'm gonna fix it. But now for like the light under eye, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. And then I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution concealer and do everything else. So like my chin, Cupid's bow, forehead. I'm just gonna take this fan and like dry this so I get as much coverage as possible. But it's pretty dry because like I had to fix the situation with my SD card. So and I'm gonna take this Morphe sponge and blend it out. Wow, why do I kind of like love this look? Now I'm gonna do cream bronzing. I call it cream bronzing because contour is a little harsh. So I'm just gonna take the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Truffle. Wow, I really like this Juvia's Place brush. It's like this slanted brush because it kind of like blends it out but keeps it where you put it, and I love that. I'm gonna take this ColourPop blush stick, but I'm gonna use the same brush that I kind of use for like the bronzer. And for the light parts of my face, I'm gonna take the Airspun powder and set it. And then for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. And then I'm gonna take the Shade and Light eye palette, and I'm gonna take this shade and mix it a little bit in with the white eyeshadow, and I'm gonna put it under my eye, mostly kind of right here by like the bridge of my nose. It looks super crazy right now, but once we put on setting spray, it'll like tone it down a little bit. Okay guys, this looks so freaking good. I think I look so cute. I added some like faux freckles. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll do a close-up. I added some highlighter on my nose, on my chin, and look at that highlighter on my cheek. So I'm gonna tell you guys what it is. It is the Tribe Highlighter Volume 2 by Juvia's Place. This is my sister. She actually let me borrow it because when I was doing like the full face of Juvia's Place, I thought I was gonna use this, but then I was like, I have the loose highlighter, but this is like fire, so I need to like go out and get one because like are you kidding? Like I kind of want to add more, but it already looks like so perfect. Like, you're kidding, right? Anyways. So now we're gonna do under eye. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this little like palette that I have, and I'm gonna take the like dark shade in it, and I'm gonna take that on this small Juvia's Place brush and put it on the outer part of my eye, but I'm also gonna take it a little bit under the eyeliner just to make it look like it's smoked out. I kind of realized that like this is kind of like an e-girl type makeup look. I'm totally fine with that. So now for lips, I think I'm gonna do, you guys know kind of like how she does when people do like a flat type Cupid's bow thing. You guys will know what I mean once I do it. So hold on. So I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place I Love lip kit in Self Love. You guys see kind of like what I did? It's kind of hard to explain, but I think you guys know what I mean. I'm gonna go off camera and put on a lash. I think I kind of want to put it on like straight so it kind of like matches the way that the eyeliner is, and then I'm gonna come back for the finished look. I'm really excited because I really like the way it looks so far. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so it's actually been a little bit because I had to like stop what I was doing and go somewhere. I'm trying to do this quickly because it's late. But this is the finished look. I love it so much. I actually wish my under eyes were a little bit brighter, if that makes sense. Not makes sense, if that's believable to you guys, because like you can tell, but I just wish it was a little bit lighter. But yeah, so yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.